Get ready for an exhilarating ride as we introduce the latest from Mandello del Lario. The new Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa is here, and it's redefining classic sportiness. In front of thousands of fans at the Moto Guzzi Open House 2023, the Italian motorcycle legend surprised everyone with the unveiling of the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa. This motorcycle pays homage to the legendary V7, capturing the timeless spirit of classic racing and yesteryear's magic. But that's not all. The V7 Stone range is also getting a fresh look with the introduction of the Verde Camo color scheme. For nearly 70 years, Moto Guzzi V7 has been an emblem of Italian motorcycling, maintaining its authenticity and unique character. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa exudes classic sportiness with its sleek lines, reminiscent of the top fairing and the single-seater saddle, evoking the thrilling atmosphere of vintage races. It channels the vibrations of authentic motorcycling and the passion that's revived through events like the Moto Guzzi Fast Endurance, bringing racing features to life on your very own V7. What sets the V7 Stone Corsa apart is its stunning two-tone livery, a tribute to the golden age of motorcycle racing. A metallic gray base is accentuated by a bold red stripe, running from the top fairing down to the fuel tank and side panels. To complete the racing look, you can add a hard cover for the rear saddle, transforming it into a true single-seater in pure racing style. The V7 Stone Corsa comes equipped with bar-end, rear-view mirrors, giving it an even sleeker and more dynamic profile. The billet black anodized aluminum fuel cap adds to its distinctive look. True to the V7's minimalist design, the front fork is sleek without bellows, and a special edition plate on the handlebar riser sets it apart. But that's not all. The Moto Guzzi V7 Stone now comes in the striking Verde Camo color scheme, joining the lineup alongside Rosso Rovente, Grigio Alluminio, Giallo Metallico, and Nero Ruvido color options. Get ready to experience the thrill of classic sportiness and the allure of timeless design with the new Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa and the refreshed V7 Stone range. Embrace the spirit of racing and elegance.